First off, I was going to Mexico to get it done. Dr. Joya out of Puerto Vallarta. Hey, sound really good. 2 weeks down there in Puerto Vallarta. You know, a week there, put up there at the place right on there. Sounded really good, right? And I was really looking into Dr. Joya to have it done, but my wife and kids, they kept saying, well, don't go to Mexico. You know, you might come back missing a kidney. Well, what the hell? You know, at least if you come back, that's good. And then I was looking to go to another, but what I didn't like about Dr. Joya was, well, it was always just give us a $1,000 deposit and we'll book a date for you. They could care less about how you are at that. You know, they want you down there, they want your money, and they're going to give you your operation. So then I started looking at another place in Tijuana, which I think was better. I don't remember the name of that. They sent me a 10-page questionnaire, and they were actually interested in my health out there, okay? But I was going to fill out this questionnaire and they would do this surgery. And then same thing with my kids, you know, and my wife. They don't want me to go to Mexico and do this. Well, that's when I saw your self-pay ad. And I started, you know, I actually started figuring out what it would cost me to fly down to those places, because I realized, you know, I'm not going to fly back coach after you had your stomach ripped, well, your stomach redone, okay? That seatbelt might hurt out there. So you're going to come back first class. You're not going to want any layovers, and you don't know how you're going to survive in an airplane out there, which was a smart choice on my part. And I tell anybody that's doing this, think twice about that airplane and that seatbelt, because it's going to hurt you. And so they talked me into coming, you know, into the States, and I started looking around, and that's when I saw Dr. Higa and the ad that you guys were running, the costs out there. And really when I went out there and figured out the costs, compared to go down to see Dr. Joya and flying down there first class, like my wife spending a week down there, the costs really aren't that much difference. It's only about $1,500, $2,000 difference. And I thought, well, at the time, you know, it'd be better to have a local doctor around here in case, you know, you had problems. Well, as it turned out, it was a lot better to have a local doctor, especially have Dr. Higa in his office over there, because they actually cared about how you were after. And there are complications that come up after the surgery out there, and you know, you're going to want to get some medicine and stuff. You're going to have heartburn like you've never had it before in your life out there, and you need to get medicine for that. And you're going to have other things you're going to need to get some medicine for. And having, you know, Dr. Higa over there in his office to talk to was much, much better than going in and talking to your primary care physician and having them give you something, because it's not what you need.